Oh, hey guys. How are you guys doing today? Let me just crisscross, get comfy. Welcome back to another video, and today we're just chilling, doing a fun little unboxing. 2 of them, actually. So in my 11 boxes that I tried in 2021, so many of you told me to try Tamed Wild, and boy did I. I actually had tried Tamed Wild, like literally it was probably the first Witchy box that I tried in conjunction with Goddess Provisions, which we also have. So I forgot to touch up my lipstick. I'm sorry if it looks bad. Does it look okay? Hopefully it looks okay. So I did try Tamed Wild way back in the beginning of 2020. And I liked it. I thought it was really good. I got the Rose of Jericho and it was really cool. It was very herby and earthy, which definitely wasn't my path at that moment. And it's just now becoming more and more of my path. For a while I was really strictly divination, and that's definitely my strong suit. Like tarot and astrology and spellcasting is definitely my thing. But getting into apothecary stuff and herbs, it's just been something that I think is so interesting and dynamic, and I just don't have the knowledge for it, and so I've just been very like careful and like trying to be respectful of the plants and everything. Anyway, I don't know why I'm rambling. I got it again. You guys told me to, so here we are. So I have the January Tamed Wild box. That's what it looks like. Very cute. We've got the February Goddess Provisions. So let's start with the Tamed Wild. I'll put all the information right here as always. I got this for a discount because, like you guys had said, like you need to try it again, and I was like, okay, queen, I will. And they had sent me an email and it was like, we miss you, here's 50% off the January box. So I was like, okay, universe, I hear you. So I signed up and I've got the January box. I haven't canceled it, so who's to say I might get the February box too. But I did buy this with my big girl money. Anyway, so the box is really cute. It's like this cardboard. I don't remember what it was like when I got it because it was literally so long ago. And it says, with love from Tamed Wild. Let's check it out. So we've got 2 little paper guides, and one of them is the ritual, so I don't want to sneak. And then this is the card that tells you what's in it, and it is calling in and connecting to the new year. So with the energy, calling in and connecting with the energy of a new year. So the first thing on this list, I am pumped as fuck. I am so excited. 3 vials, rose petals, mugwort, and lemon peel. Comes in this bubble wrap. Oh my god, these bottles are so fucking cute. These are so cute, you guys. So they are cork style. We've got a rose petal vial. The bottles, they're glass, and they have a cute label, and they're cork. And I love cork vials. I just think that they're so much cuter than like the metal clasp ones or the metal screw-on ones. And then we've got lemon peel, and then we've got mugwort. Okay, mugwort and rose petal I actually use hella. Lemon peel I haven't used, but I would. Let's read. So it says, rose has been honored in herbalism and magic for centuries. According to folklore, the poetess Sappho called Rose the queen of the flowers, and it was said to be a favorite of Cleopatra. I'm actually not going to read all this because this is kind of a lot. Closely associated with the goddess Aphrodite, also known as Venus or Freya. And you can work them, I can't speak, work with roses in spells and rituals of self-love and romance. My favorite use for rose petals is within glamour magic, and I have a couple of recipes of things I want to make that are like sexy massage oil, or like a self-love oil, or you know, any kind of oil. I'm just really excited, and I love roses. My old house, I used to have a rose bush in front of it, and I did not take advantage of the roses there. Then we've got mugwort, and mugwort is considered a divinatory herb and has long been used in lucid dreaming rituals or to enhance psychic abilities. They give you more information about the history of it, which I think is super interesting. I'm just not going to read it all because that would take a long time. Anyway, mugwort's really great. I love mugwort for any sort of like sleep or lucid dreaming, psychic rituals, things like that. You can have mugwort tea, which I'm not sure if these are like to be consumed, like if they're organic. I had a really funny moment in my Patreon live where I was doing my book club with we were reading the Book of Potions, and it called for sage, like kitchen sage, but I didn't know that because I don't know anything about cooking. And I grabbed my like dried white sage from like a year ago, and one of my patrons, Rebecca, was like, "Luna, is that kitchen safe?" And I was like, what do you even mean? Almost killed myself on camera, caught in 4K, but she saved the day. Thanks, Rebecca. So I don't know. I'm not comfortable with like eating herbs now. Then we've got lemon peel, which is for solar energy, creativity, blessings in relationships, and it's used for uplifting properties, which is so exciting. Leo full moon, I might have to pop into that. So I'm so excited about these, honestly. They're so pretty, and I don't know, I just like them. Great herbs, like very useful. And this little Tamed Wild organza bag, cloth bag. Ooh. You guys, I actually saw this in the email they sent promoting, because the January box had been revealed. I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I have to get it for that. Okay, you guys, this is the High Priestess Tarot necklace. Okay, can you catch that? Can you catch it? It's beautiful gold. So, so pretty. I'm literally going to wear this right now. Anyway, I saw this in this sneak peek and I was like, oh my god, I love that. I don't have a whole lot of tarot necklaces. I have one, and it's like the Justice card, which I don't feel a strong affinity towards the Justice card. But I do for the High Priestess. But this is so pretty. It's smaller than I imagined it'd be, but it's really, really pretty still. It says the High Priestess is a card that connects to the divine feminine. Not just the parts of the divine that we can see, but rather the deeper, darker sides of the archetype. Okay, cool. Let's do the next thing. We've got a black candle. Just a good old-fashioned black candle. Talks about it's for protection, honoring the crone, banishing negative energy. Love it. Can never have enough candles. I genuinely believe that. Next we have... This is really cool. The Rebirth Anointing Oil by Daughters of Her. So basically this is just an anointing oil. I don't know if it has any special uses for like the ingredients it has. Like some are for divine feminine energy or for prosperity. I didn't see this because it just said ritual anointing oil, but it says on here Rebirth Anointing Oil. So I'm going to say that's probably like the niche that it's in for if you're doing any sort of like new moon work or some sort of like rebirth energy. I think that'd be great for it. That is so exciting. Love it. And then lastly, we get a little stone. Okay, and I think it's different for everybody. Yes, they said, we don't believe that anything in the universe is random. This stone has made its way to you with a message. I'm so excited. It comes in this cute bag. And they gave me sodalite, which I actually have a sodalite tower right back here. Sodalite is one of my favorite crystals in the entire world. I think it's a beautiful crystal because it is all about connecting to your throat chakra energy and speaking your truth and living your fucking authentic life. It says referred to as the Stone of Wisdom. It is said to foster wisdom, knowledge, and communication. Also called the Stone of Truth. It was thought that a person holding a sodalite stone was unable to tell a lie. A universal healing stone, sodalite's energy can be a comfort to parents of children who have recently left home. It's also called the Poet's Stone and is really great for just being able to express what you're thinking, which as a Pisces moon is something that's so hard for me. I find it so hard to express my thoughts and my feelings sometimes. So I really, really, really appreciate getting a sodalite stone because they're one of my favorites. So that is all from the Tamed Wild box. What do you guys think? What was your favorite item? I think that the stone, it's hard. It's hard, you guys know this. I loved the stone, but I really loved the herbs, and I really loved the oil. You know what I mean? Oh, the necklace. I couldn't even see it because I was wearing it. The necklace was absolutely my favorite thing. The necklace was 100% my favorite thing. I knew there was something missing. Anyway, let's jump in to the Goddess Provisions box. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comments what your favorite item was from the Tamed Wild box, okay? And if you think I should keep doing it, if you guys want to see it more. So let's jump into this guy. This is the February Goddess Provisions box. And this is the card. It says rest to refresh the soul. The theme this month was digital detox, which we all freaking need so deeply. I'm gonna set this bad boy up so I can look at him. I'm so excited about this box, you guys. Let's just jump in. I'm gonna grab this first one. And this is a wax seal set. I love these. Okay, my husband and I actually have a wax seal set, but it's just like letters, like the alphabet. But this is so cool because it's witchy. So the seal is this beautiful moon and eye. And then you get two little wax candles, gold and a purple. Look how cute that is. I absolutely, so I have like a typewriter. I have a lot of stationery stuff. I love like vintage, you know, stationery things, I guess, like typewriters and things. But also I love writing handwritten letters. And since I've moved away from home, that's something that my grandma started doing with me, is writing me letters. And I haven't wrote her back yet, which is horrible. But I'm going to write her, and I'm going to use this because this is so exciting and so pretty. I feel like I saw somewhere that it said like if you're gonna stamp a letter and mail it, that you should put it in a separate envelope, but maybe I dreamed that because I'm not seeing that anywhere. So maybe that was like, I just made that up in a dream. Anyway, that is a $15 value, the stamp and the two stamp candles, if you will. Very exciting. I love that. Next, we've got the spray. This is a Cheeky Botanica Forest Bathe Evergreen Mist. It says, escape to the forest with this refreshing mist containing organic essential oils of the coniferous forest, cinnamon and orange. And this is a $32 value. I'm a fan of that. Ooh, that does smell coniferous. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's really nice. Cool. Okay. Okay, next we have this guy. And he is freaking chocolate. You guys know I love food. I'm a Taurus. Taurus rising, what can I say? This is a wild blueberry chocolate bar. That is so exciting. And you guys know blueberry is like the one berry I can eat. I'm gonna eat this. It says a delectable combination of wild blueberries and cacao and a vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free chocolate bar. $7.20 value. I think the shape is weird. I like it. I've never had like a square chocolate bar. I will be eating this very soon. Don't you worry. Okay, next. I hope you guys can see well enough. Oh, let me do the crystal. Ooh, you guys tell me what you think it is first. You know I like doing this. Let me know. What do you think this is? This is a red tiger's eye, okay? And I didn't know that existed. I have tiger's eye and I have blue tiger's eye, and I was surprised to learn about blue tiger's eye, but I guess red tiger's eye exists too. It says connect to your root chakra and welcome balance into your life with this calming and centering stone. $4 value. This is really pretty because it's got like this deep red, but it's almost like there's a sort of like hematite band, and I don't know, maybe that's what makes it a tiger's eye, is just like a metallic band, but it looks like hematite in there, which is really cool. Next, I'm so excited about this. This is a little retreat journal. And he's small. He's not very big. But I mean, I guess he's 68 pages. That's kind of long. This is a $22 value, and it says, embark on a self-guided journey of creating your own retreat and embracing stillness. This journal is packed with just the right guidance, inspiration, and journal prompts you'll need to go deep and make lasting improvements. So it's very pretty, and it's like this soft sort of faux leather, I guess, that they've used before with journals. And they've got a lot of cool prompts happening. This is cute. I'm really, really, really interesting. I'm interested in this. Ideas for retreats, like commitment. This is so cute. This is really nice. My goal this year is to get more in tune with like the feminine and like the resting, learning to just fucking exist. So I'm very excited for that. I know it's getting dark in here, the sun's setting, so I'm sorry if it's changed. There's one more thing, but there is a digital bonus, which they haven't had in a long time. So let me tell you about this guy really quick. This is so fun, because I was just saying that I'm going to use this stamp. They gave us greeting cards. So it says magical magical memos greeting cards. Take a moment to relax and write a beautiful message to someone you adore. Comes with 4 mystical cards and envelopes. So you get 4 of these little cardboard style of envelopes, and then 4 different little cards. This says, I can see your future. Very cute. This one is just witchy and cute. Then we've got, oh, that's cute, a butterfly. And then we've got, aw, sun and moon. That's cute. That's really sweet. I love those. Oh, guys, this is like a sign to do more stationery and write more letters. Because I moved away and I don't have any of my friends here anymore. I just need to write them letters. Anyway, okay, the digital bonus, which they don't do often. They used to do that all the time, but they stopped doing it. And I was honestly kind of sad about it. They did it again, so I'm so excited. This is Saged Spiritual Tools for Your Mystical Life. So there is like a free month of this app, which has daily rituals and meditations, live classes and affirmations, and more. And it's a $12.99 value. And I didn't mention, but the Memos greeting card was a $12 value. I'm very excited about that app. I'm intrigued because I don't know about it, so I'm gonna check that out and let you guys know what I think. I'm really pumped about the journal. I love a good journal. And the wax set is just so cool. So I think the wax set and the journal are my favorite things. And from the Tamed Wild, I think the necklace and the oil and the herbs were my favorite things. So that's what I think. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought was the coolest. Did you have a favorite box? Should I do the Tamed Wild again? And what was your favorite item from both boxes? I love it when you guys comment. It lets YouTube know that you guys like me. And it, yeah, grows our little moon fam. And also, I like to see what you guys think, so tell me. So that's all. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Welcome to Pisces season. I hope you're doing great. And I will see you all next time. Bye.